Hello class, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at Rubavu Technical College TVET, and today we are going to complete the second part of our module, which is called Repair Walkthrough Metal Detector. And today's topic, we are going to see how to rectify walkthrough metal detector faults. At the end of this session, each learner will be able to troubleshoot different faults of a walkthrough metal detector. As we are learning together, I invite each and everyone to take some notes and do a practical exercise with me. Firstly, you may ask yourself about the functionality of a walkthrough metal detector. Typically, they use a pulse induction technology. When a piece of metal passes through the magnetic field, a reacted magnetic field is created. This magnetic field reacts with the receiver coil, which in turn triggers the alarm system. When an electrical pulse is sent through a coil of wire, it creates a magnetic field, hits a metal object, it reflects back and can be detected using another coil of wire. The size and timing of the detected pulse is used to define the size and position of the object, as you can see at your own screen. That is the main functionality of a walkthrough metal detector. As I already told you, the walkthrough metal detector are mostly used at different places such as airport, church, school, bus terminal, and so on. Now on, we are going to see the general faults of a walkthrough metal detector. Firstly, when there is a power supply fail. When one of the main components of a power supply of a walkthrough metal detector is blown up, such as when a transformer is blown up, when a rectifier is blown up, when a main capacitor is blown up, and finally, when a regulator is blown up. Secondly, when there is a battery failure. When the walkthrough metal detector in which we are using has a battery. When there is electronic circuit faults, such as a short circuit faults, an open circuit faults. When also one of the electronic components which made the circuit of the walkthrough metal detector is blown up. For example, if some capacitor blown up, some resistor blown up, some red or writing emitting diodes are blown up, those are one of the general faults of a walkthrough metal detector. And finally, is when there is a sensitivity faults, when the capability of this walkthrough metal detector to sense any metal which passes through it is less than before. We are going to see how to troubleshoot different faults of a walkthrough metal detector. And now we are going to see how to replace defected component of this walkthrough metal detector circuit. And also, I remind you the tips of soldering and desoldering. And also, how to test by continuity testing and voltage measurement when is required in order to test the functionality of this walkthrough metal detector. Why you want to replace defected component, as you can see, you do it by soldering and desoldering different component according to the corresponding component, as you can see at your own screen. And also, while you finish to replace defected component, you test if the walkthrough metal detector is working properly. You test by continuity testing, as you can see, in order to make sure if different parts of this walkthrough metal detector is responding correctly. And also, you may do a voltage measurement in order to see if it's responding perfectly. After that, you test the functionality testing to test if this walkthrough metal detector's functionality is equal to the required one. And after that, you do what is called assembling, which is to fix together separated pieces in order to form one wall. And also, while you finish that, you clean the workplace accordingly. You arrange different tools, materials, and equipment according to the types. And also, you manage waste materials and no-used materials such as consumable accordingly. And also, you manage waste materials accordingly. And after that, you report the work done. Thank you for your attention. This is the end of our module, which is called Repair Walkthrough Metal Detector. And as we're running together, I hope you keep doing practical exercise with me. See you next time. Enjoy.